Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. Mehndi, also known as henna, is an ancient form of body art that has been cherished for centuries across various cultures, especially in South Asia, the Middle East, and part of Africa. The term mehndi is derived from the Sanskrit word mehendika, which refers to the henna plant known for its cooling properties and natural dye. Mehndi designs are created using a paste made of powdered dry leaves of the henna plant. This paste is applied to the skin, usually on the hands and feet, in intricate patterns and left to stain the skin in deep red, orange, or brown hues. Mehndi designs hold great cultural and emotional significance, particularly in India, Pakistani, and Arabic traditions. They are an essential part of weddings, festivals, and celebrations like Diwali, Eid, Karwa Chauth, and Tej. Bridal mehndi is especially elaborate and detailed, symbolizing love, prosperity, and new beginnings. Many believe the darker the mehndi stain, the deeper the bond between the couple. It's also said that mehndi brings luck and wards off evil. The art of mehndi comes in various styles and regional variations. Indian mehndi designs are known for their intricate patterns featuring floral motifs, paisley, peacocks, and symbolic elements like kailash, dulha dulhan, and mandalas. These designs often cover the entire palm and extend up to the elbows or over higher. Arabic mehndi designs, on the other hand, are bold and free flowing, focusing on floral patterns and empty spaces. They are less dense but equally striking and elegant. Pakistani designs blend Indian intricacy with Arabic boldness, often incorporating geometric patterns, domes, and fine details. Moroccan mehndi features more geometric and tribal elements using symmetry and minimalism. In recent history, modern mehndi designs have evolved to incorporate contemporary trends. These include minimalistic designs, tattoo style mehndi, fusion patterns, and even glitter or colored mehndi for a more vibrant look. This versatility has made mehndi popular among the younger generation, both for traditional and non-traditional occasions. Applying mehndi is more than just a cosmetic ritual, it is a relaxing and meditative process. The scent of henna combined with the calmness of applying or receiving the design offers a therapeutic experience. For many, it's also a way of bonding with friends and family, especially during pre-wedding ceremonies like the mehndi night, which is filled with music, dance, and joy. Thanks for cooperating. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you so much.